Have you been riding a motorcycle on the street and now transitioning to the dirt? Maybe you thought that you've been riding on the street for 20 plus years. You didn't think it would be that hard to ride in the dirt, but you quickly found out that road riding techniques do not translate very well to riding off-road in the dirt, especially when you get into the woods on single-track trails. For example, can you ride on the road all day without really getting tired? But when you go into the trails, you get exhausted within the first 15-20 minutes, or maybe you're really comfortable on the street or even road racing, but riding a dirt bike, you feel like your tires are wanting to wash out, especially on flat or slippery corners. Maybe you've just tried slowing down or trying to improve your throttle control so that you stay in control, get better traction, but you still get exhausted before even half of your ride is done. This is because the fundamental techniques from riding in the street to riding in the dirt are so much different. For example, if you have proper body position while riding a motorcycle on the road, you're probably used to sitting in the same spot while riding on the pavement or on the asphalt because you're pretty much getting 100% traction on the road. But if you do this while riding in the dirt, your tires are more likely to slide out because you haven't shifted your body position to give the tires the most traction. Your weight isn't over the tires. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, you should check out this video in my beginner series on how to turn a dirt bike without falling or losing traction so that you can quickly build your confidence when you're transitioning from riding a street bike to a dirt bike. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.